Yo, what's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Sweat, back with another POV as usual. Wow. And I think this is the first, oh shit, sorry lady. Let me squeeze through, shawty. Damn, it's bright as fuck. Shit. This is the first POV Catless. So, yeah, man. I will say, y'all, we might get hit with drivetrain malfunction, so you know, don't be alarmed. Common issue with the Gen 3s. So, yeah, nothing too crazy to worry about. But today, we are headed to the outlets. Cause your boy gotta go pick out some, oh shit. Your boy gotta go pick out some clothes for, you know, me and my family's little photo shoot. So, you know what I'm saying? Your boys headed to get some clothes. But, you know, we gotta get that content for y'all while we at that. So. Whew, boy, this Catless setup is amazing, y'all. For those of you who do not know or have not seen my most recent upload, I have a TCM Catless downpipe. It's 5 inches, and I have a full exhaust from Alibaba. If you go to the video, my Catless setup video, both the links for both of the products are down there. So, you know what I'm saying? Feel free if you want to be like your boy. But yeah, man, we got many more things to come for this car. You know what I'm saying? We just working. 2026 is our year. You know what I'm saying? The goal for this year, we gotta hit, my goal is 5K subs. I know I could do it. I know you guys got me on being able to get that done. So yeah, goal for this year is 5K subs. We gotta get that. See if we could get a little, put that thing in Sport Plus real quick. Oh, that wind is winning. Whoo, boy, I don't know if y'all can hear those burbles, but damn. I really need an outside POV of this car. Cause this shit sounds insane. Oh shit, there's a car here. Let me just get up here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I did not see that car to my left. I would have smacked shawty ass. But yeah, y'all, we not doing too much. You know what I'm saying? Just filming our AI content per usual. Nothing crazy. Y'all, I'm also thinking I might go to a lot more car meets this year. Damn. I think I pissed him off. He did not want to be beside me. I'm sorry, old guy. But yeah, I think I might hit up a lot more car meets this year, y'all. Just to get more content. Let me close this. I don't even know if that wind was messing with y'all. If it was, I'm so sorry. But yeah, I got some more cosmetic mods. Y'all should see those in a couple videos, you know what I'm saying? Just stay tuned. But your boy is finally about to get some shit done. Cause we gotta make oh boy. And my dude back there, I fuck with him. I ain't gonna lie. That was cool as hell. I don't know if y'all can see that in my review, but dude threw his hand out at me. Oh man. Bro, the Catless setup has really drawn me a lot of attention, bro. I really love it. I need a gap cam so I can get the outside POV. Like, I need to hear this. I don't know what the outside of my car sounds like. Because inside the cabin, like, it's not as, of course, it's not as loud as it would be from the outside. And I know y'all probably hear this drone. It's a little OD, I can't even lie to you. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Just a little bit. It's a little OD. I don't even know what exit I gotta take. I'm just kind of driving, y'all. This I am. Also, y'all, this year I'm gonna try to do better at like doing walkarounds for y'all before I start POVs, or like doing a walkaround at some point in the video, because I know a lot of people complained about that last year, which was like, last year for me was like 5 days ago now. But yeah, a lot of people complained about that, so try to do better with that. You know what I'm saying? Make sure, and I gotta do better with getting thumbnails for y'all, because I feel like most of the time y'all just get like a cabin thumbnail, and you know what I'm saying, I feel like a lot of people don't know what my car really looks like just because I don't really show it. Like, of course there's some pictures you'll see, some thumbnails you'll see it, but on a daily basis, like, a lot of people don't know what this car looks like. So yeah, I gotta get better with that for y'all in 2026. Oh shit, this shit sick. Let's see. Yo, this shit doesn't even burble. This shit pops. That shit be pop, 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 like shit. Burbles are more like, this shit be shooting gunshots. Time is us 3. That's why there's so many cars on the road. This am. Hey man, y'all let me know, what's y'all New Year's goals? What y'all chasing this year? Cause y'all know what I'm chasing. Your boy's chasing 5K subs and monetization. Those are our goals for 2026. 5K subs and monetization. Of course, if we surpass that, that is amazing. If not, it's okay. It's just more work to do. Why we slowing down? Why we slowing down? Why we, no. I should have took this exit I just passed. I know how to get there from there. I can take exit 4 though. If I could get over. Is it someone coming down the ramp? Oh, it is. Yeah, let me just go ahead and jump, buddy. And we got hit with drivetrain malfunction, y'all. Finally. I'll be honest, the drivetrain malfunction, it is annoying, but it's not that bad. It does go away. I mean, you could get it to go away in 2 ways. You could either just, it really just depends. So if you steady, like constantly driving, it'll just go away on its own. But if you want to get rid of it like right away, you just turn the car off and turn it back on. It'll go away. But it will continuously pop up if you do that method, like letting it turn the car on and off, because I mean, it's not really like resetting. It's more so just, damn. It's more so just getting rid of it, and it's just gonna come back because it thinks the car went to sleep. So you know what I'm saying? If you do run into this issue, such as with my honest opinion, I would just say just drive it out, because it goes away longer. I've noticed if I drive it out and let it go away on its own, it doesn't come back for a longer period of time. Damn, it's bright as fuck out here. This tent dark as hell. Shit. That's one thing I like about having dark ass tent, bro. I can't see nothing going on outside. Oh wow, we in that bad traffic. I'm not a fan of that. But I do seize my exit. So I'm gonna need y'all to get out of my way, please. Yo, y'all, hey, anybody who has good recommendations on dash cams, please let me know. Cause I really need a dash cam. I feel like I see a lot of crazy stuff happen on the road, and I never have like the ability to capture it on camera. Cause I'm not riding around with a GoPro on my head 24/7. It's just not happening. So if y'all got any like good dash cam ideas, y'all go ahead and just drop them in the comments for you, boy. Cause yeah, we trying to pop out content on all platforms too. You know what I'm saying? If you don't already, follow me on Instagram. Life of Sweat. Follow me on TikTok, Life of Sweat. You know what I'm saying? I do DM everyone back. You know, I'm not weird like some people. You know what I'm saying? I do DM everyone. Like a lot of people text me sometimes and they just be like, bro, I did not think you were gonna respond. Like, why not? I'm not Hollywood, bro. I'm just a regular guy like everybody else. I bleed like you, pee like you, shit like you. I'm a regular guy. It's nothing really different about me. Let's see. I'm about to show y'all the method. So you just turn it off, wait about 4-5 seconds, turn it back on. It's gone. Simple as that. That's all you got to do if you want to get rid of the light. I see the purple. Hello, officer, how are you doing? Oh, and he's gone, thank you. Welcome to J Sweat Airlines. Ooh, it's windy out here. Damn. I love this car so much. So much. Listen. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do this for y'all. Yeah, it's windy as hell. God dang. Was gonna rev it for y'all, but damn, that shit is too damn windy. But I know y'all can hear that turbo spool. That shit sounds amazing to the zing. Let's go through the back, cause I think I want to park on the back side today. Is it as windy back here? No, it's not. Good. Now see, we got a little security. Oh my God, that turbo spool is crazy. Damn. Speed hump. Hey. You know, we still get baby burbles, y'all. It's nothing crazy. Nothing crazy at all. But we have made it to the outletty. Trying to find I'm parking back there, far away from everyone. Oh, I can park up there. Cool. Perfect. Ooh, the fuck is that noise? Whoa. Is my car fucked up? No. Do y'all hear that? Bro, Bro, why is it rattling? I think it's just rattling because it's idling. I don't know. I'll take it back to the shop, get that looked at. But yeah, man, so we just made it to the outlet. That's gonna be the end of this POV for y'all. Oh, you know what? My fault, y'all. I'm bullshitting. I done told y'all I'm gonna start doing better with walking around, because I don't never do it. Let me do that. I'll be some bullshitting for y'all, and I'm sorry about that. I am drastically sorry about that. But yeah, man, that's the car. Baby walk around. That's the end of this POV. Appreciate y'all for watching. It's windy as shit, so I'm out.
Get your girl a check free. She ain't used to text me. Now she won't caress me. She keep trying to neck me.